The best mechanical keyboards for 2020. Best for seekers of a deluxe RGB mechanical. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT. Reasons to buy. 1. Same great K95 Platinum design and features. 2. Elgato Stream Deck support. 3. More onboard profiles. 4. New and improved wrist rest. 5. PBT double-shot keycaps. Reasons to avoid. Not an enormous upgrade over the previous K95 Platinum. The bottom line. With a modest update, Corsair's K95 RGB Platinum XT turns one of the best gaming keyboards into an obvious go-to for video streamers. Best for esports players seeking a TENKEYLESS design. SteelSeries Apex7 TKL. Reasons to buy. 1. Durable aluminum body. 2. Handy OLED mini display with easy-to-use onboard menus. 3. Snappy mechanical switches. 4. Per key programmable RGB backlighting. Reasons to avoid. Loud key action, in blue sample tested. The bottom line. A solid aluminum chassis, comfortable custom key switches, and a nifty OLED mini display set apart SteelSeries Apex7 TKL, our favorite TENKEYLESS gaming keyboard to date. Best for no-nonsense mechanical keyboard buffs. HyperX alloy origins. Reasons to buy. 1. Solidly made chassis. 2. Well priced. 3. Proprietary switches offer unique feel. 4. Detachable USB-C cable. Reasons to avoid. No creature comforts, such as dedicated macro keys or USB pass-through ports. The bottom line. If premium features aren't what you're after, HyperX's alloy origins may be the nicest no-nonsense mid-range mechanical keyboard around. Best for ergonomically minded gamers. Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB split mechanical gaming keyboard. Reasons to buy. 1. True Cherry MX switches in a choice of 3 varieties. 2. Comfortable ergonomic design, once you're accustomed to it. 3. Superb, plush wrist rest. 4. Per key customizable RGB lighting. Reasons to avoid. 1. Driverless SmartSet app is more work than we'd like. 2. Optional lift kit costs extra. 3. Steep learning curve. The bottom line. In the Freestyle Edge RGB, Kinesis brings best-in-class ergonomics to the gaming keyboard scene for players serious about minding their wrists and hands in the course of their gaming endurance. Best for tankless typing comfort. DAS Keyboard 4C TKL. Reasons to buy. 1. High-quality build. 2. Space-saving tankless design. 3. Responsive Cherry MX Brown mechanical key switches. 4. USB pass-through. Reasons to avoid. 1. No key backlighting. 2. A little pricey for the feature set. The bottom line. The DAS Keyboard 4C TKL is a premium mechanical keyboard that delivers a comfortable, versatile typing experience and saves space by dropping the number pad. Best for typing comfort on keyboard alerts. DAS Keyboard 4Q. Reasons to buy. 1. Aluminum top plate. 2. Dedicated media controls. 3. Nifty RGB lighting. Reasons to avoid. Q software can be frustrating to use. The bottom line. The DAS Keyboard 4Q carries on the mechanical keyboard company's hardware legacy, but it's the RGB lighting, not the quirky Q Alerts software, that will justify the price premium for most of the DAS faithful. Best for minimalists, programmers, fans of TOPRE key switches. Happy hacking professional hybrid wireless mechanical keyboard. Reasons to buy. 1. Great typing feel. 2. TOPRE switches. 3. USB Type-C and Bluetooth connectivity on a battery-powered keyboard. 4. Rear dip switches allow for software-free customization. 5. Surprisingly comfortable 60-key design. Reasons to avoid. 1. Steep learning curve from full-size and tankless keyboards. 2. Number 2.4 GHz RF wireless connectivity. 3. Very expensive. The bottom line. The newest wireless happy hacking keyboard makes a few smart changes and a strong case for minimalist designer keyboards. Best for heavy typists who are also gamers. Logitech G513 Carbon. Reasons to buy. 1. Choice of linear and tactile switch types. 2. Comfortable and quiet for typing and gaming. 3. Slick design. 4. Roomy palm rest. 5. Per key RGB lighting. Reasons to avoid. 1. Software takes patience to learn. 2. No dedicated macro or media keys. 3. Subdued RGB illumination. The bottom line. Though it cries out for media macro keys, the minimalist Logitech G513 carbon gaming keyboard justifies its price with custom, RGB lit mechanical switches that feel great and won't wake up your household. Best for extreme tweakers, key switch connoisseurs. Logitech Pro X. Reasons to buy. 1. Allows for swapping out actual key switch mechanisms on a per-key basis. 2. Switch swapping isn't hard. 3. Compact design. 4. Feels good to type on and game on. Reasons to avoid. 1. Expensive, especially if you buy multiple switch sets on day 1. 2. Onboard memory stores only one profile. The bottom line. How particular are you about your gaming keyboard's key switches? Logitech's Pro X adds the nifty, if super niche, ability to change them out, one by one. It's extreme, but it's also one of the better ESPORTS keyboards around. Best for serious ergonomics with a split design. Matias Ergo Pro. Reasons to buy. 1. Split design provides good ergonomics. 2. 3 USB pass-through ports. 3. Dedicated shortcut macro keys. 4. Built-in reverse tilt and tenting feet. 5. Retractable bridge cable. Reasons to avoid. 1. Split keyboards come with a learning curve. 2. No key backlighting. 3. No config software. 4. Only 19 programmable keys. The bottom line. The Matias Ergo Pro is a great ergonomic keyboard for dedicated professionals looking to mitigate the effects of typing all day, every day.